Lionel Messi, the man, the myth, the legend, the GOAT. The name on everybody's lips in Jamaica ever since Inter Miami was drawn with Cavaliers FC in the CONCACAF Champions League. Now everybody's asking if Lionel Messi will play in Jamaica. Will he or won't he? And today I'm going to confirm if Lionel Messi is listed in the squad to play against Cavaliers, while also giving you guys a timeline of all the events leading up to this big massive game.
Express my feelings, start my mind.
People, do remember to give the video a like and leave your comments down in the comment section. Let's jump right into it. It all began when ESPN FC on their Instagram page posted a picture saying that Lionel Messi will be playing in Jamaica for the first time. That was because Cavaliers FC was drawn with Inter Miami FC. Cavaliers FC had qualified for the CONCACAF Champions Cup due to being the Caribbean Cup champion, and they qualified directly to the round of 16, where they would eventually face off with Inter Miami. However, Inter Miami had to play a two-leg playoff versus Kansas FC before facing Cavaliers. However, before the first leg of Inter Miami's game against Kansas City, it came out to say that Lionel Messi might not play against Kansas City due to inclement weather. Now, to everybody's surprise, Messi not only traveled to Kansas City, but he also played the full 90 minutes, scoring the solo goal in the match to win the game 1-0. Which was the very first positive. Not only that Lionel Messi went out his way to play in -7 degrees, but to also ensure that Inter Miami had the first leg win over Kansas City. Messi then went on to play another full 90 minutes, grabbing 2 assists in their home game against New York City. Messi then went on to score another goal in Inter Miami's 3-1 victory over Sporting Kansas, beating them 4-1 on aggregate, which officially set up the tie against Cavalier FC. However, prior to the first game between Inter Miami and Cavalier, Inter Miami had an away game at Houston Dynamo, which Lionel Messi was rested, which was a major surprise to everybody. So much so that Houston Dynamo had to release a statement apologizing to the fans, even saying that they'd offer complimentary ticket for another game to compensate. Then came the big game between Inter Miami and Cavaliers at the Chase Stadium in Florida, and Messi was not in the squad. And yes, people, you know, Pree TV was there. You can check out the video. The link is in the description. Go ahead and check out the video. But to everybody's surprise, Messi was not in the squad again. And yes, we got to see Messi in the flesh because he was in the stadium, but he was not in the squad, and he didn't play against Cavaliers in the first leg. This prompted even Fabrizio Romano to post that Lionel Messi is missing for the second consecutive game. It says that Messi will continue following the club's plan to prevent longer absence due to muscle overload. So Messi was rested against Cavaliers FC. Inter Miami would go on to beat Cavaliers without Messi 2-0. But here comes the first bit of good news. Inter Miami next game was versus Charlotte at home, and guess what? The GOAT Lionel Messi was on the bench. ESPN posted Lionel Messi was back on the bench for Inter Miami, and even though he didn't come off the bench, Inter Miami would go on to win that game 1-0, which was a very, very positive sign. Now, with the second leg of the game between Cavaliers and Inter Miami being played on March 13 at the National Stadium, it was positive sign that seeing that on Tuesday, March the 11th, Inter Miami posted this picture of Lionel Messi saying that this is their Tuesday preparation. Preparation for what? Preparation for what, people? Preparation for the game between Cavaliers FC and Inter Miami. That is to be played at the National Stadium. So Pree TV went to the CONCACAF website, and I can confirm that Lionel Messi's name is listed as a part of the squad for the 2025 CONCACAF Champions Cup. This will also be the squad that players will be selected from to play the second leg in Jamaica. So people, it's very, very much possible that Lionel Messi will be here in Jamaica after all. It all depends on if they are managing his minutes and how fit Messi is to play. But seeing all the evidence that Messi did go play in the snow, that Messi did travel, that Messi did prepare for this game, I am telling you people, it is very much possible that Messi is there. But I can confirm that Messi was listed as part of the squad to play the 2025 CONCACAF Champions Cup, which is also the squad that will be playing against Cavaliers FC. So there you have it, people. Now please listen to what I say carefully, people, because a lot of people will look at the thumbnail, look at the title, and run with what they think I've said and not what I actually said. So there you have it, people. Drop a like on the video, leave a comment down in the comment section, and until next time, it's your boy King. What good?
Express my feelings, start my mind.